How to change meal names on MyFitnesspal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the MyFitnesspal app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can simply head over to Play Store or App Store and search for the MyFitnesspal app. Then tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, you want to open the application and log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the Recipes, Meals and Foods option. Here you can find your recipes, meals and foods. When you tap on the meals section, you're going to find all of your saved meals from here. If you want to create a new meal, tap on Create a Meal option. Here you will have to enter your meal name. Then it is going to calculate the calories. You can also add the direction from here as well to make this meal. Now, if you want to change the name of your existing meal, all you have to do is tap on that meal, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Edit Meal option. Here on the Meal Name option, you simply want to erase the name and then edit the name like this. After you have edited the name, tap on the Save option at the top right corner. Once you do that, as you can see, the meal name has been successfully changed on the MyFitnesspal app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.